Today, you will learn to use the map interface to issue tactical commands. Access the map screen now by pressing the Map button. The map screen shows you your mission area, all friendly units, and any detected enemy units. Your selected unit is highlighted in yellow. This window shows you that unit. This window shows you a unit's target, or the unit that is beneath your cursor. This panel displays objective details and button help. If you're not sure what to do next, review your objectives. Press the Show Objectives button to enter objective mode. This panel shows you the status of your objectives. A gray number means the objective is active. A green number means the objective has been completed. A red number means it has failed. Cycle through objectives by using the cycle controls. Press either Cancel or the Show Objectives button to exit objective mode. Press the Zoom key to zoom in. The map zooms in on the area where your crosshair is centered. When the map is at maximum zoom, extra detail is revealed, such as fortifications and individual planes. Press the Zoom Out key to zoom back out. At middle zoom, you can still see individual ships, but individual planes and land units become hidden. Now, zoom out again. At highest zoom, all that is shown is the flagship or squadron leader for each formation. The highlighted area around your unit is their detection area. The light-colored area is the visual detection area. The darker colored area is the radar detection area. Units detected by radar are displayed as unknown. That is because all that is known about them is their position and type. Finally, the green area is the sonar area. Sonar is the only method of detecting a submerged submarine. The cursor is used to select units and issue orders. When you put the cursor over a unit, its details will display in the target window at the top left. Put your cursor over the Fletcher-class destroyer berthed next to your Clemson and press the Select Unit key to select it. Good. You can also use the crosshair to issue orders to your currently selected unit. Pressing the Move To key will order that Fletcher to move to a designated point. Order it to move to the yellow waypoint. The blue line shows you where it's going. As you can see, the Fletcher is obeying your orders. Your Fletcher has detected an enemy ship. Press the Move To key again to order it to attack. The red line indicates an attack order. That means your unit will move into range on the targeted unit and engage. A unit with an attack order will circle the enemy, firing until it sinks.
Enemy vessel is heading for the bottom, sir.
Well done! Now, there's another way to select friendly units. which is using the cycle unit controls. Use them to select the Catalina flying boat. You can create a navigation path by pressing Move To multiple times. Give the Catalina a navigation path between those 3 waypoints, starting with waypoint 1 and ending with waypoint 3. Outstanding! Catalina will fly along the path you have created. If you want to cancel a move or attack order, press the cancel key. Good, good. An airborne plane circles when you cancel its orders. Or you can tell it to circle one of your ships by using the Move To command. That command is useful for putting up CAP, or Combat Air Patrol, over your ships or land bases. Order the Catalina to circle your Clemson. Great job! You have completed the map tutorial. Press the map key to exit the map.